In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a feed video animation ad in Canva. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a simple, eye-catching video ad that's ready to post on your social media feed. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look towards the top right area of the screen and click on the button that says Create a Design. This is where you tell Canva what kind of project you want to work on. Instead of scrolling through a long list of formats, you can use the search bar that appears when you click this button. In that search bar, start typing video ad. Canva will show you different video-related options as you type. What you're looking for is the feed-friendly format, so from the list of results, select Feed Ad Video. This will open up a new design with the correct size and orientation for most social media feeds, which saves you from having to worry about manual dimensions. Once your blank feed ad video canvas opens, it's time to choose a template. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the Templates panel. Click inside the search box there and type Mango Ice Cream. This will bring up ready-made video templates that match that theme. Even if you're not actually advertising ice cream, this is just the design style we're using for this tutorial. Browse the template options that appear and pick the one that best matches the look and feel you're going for. When you found one you like, click on it once. Canva will automatically apply that template to your feed video, including its background, text, images, and built-in animations. From here, follow the on-screen prompts that Canva provides. These may include suggestions to replace the sample text with your own headline, description, or call to action, and to swap out any placeholder images or videos with your own brand visuals. Take a moment to play back the animation using the preview button so you can see how each element moves and make sure the timing feels smooth and readable. As you customize, keep your text short and clear so it's easy to read in a feed, and make sure your main message appears within the first few seconds. When you're happy with everything, you can download your video in MP4 format, and it's ready to upload as a feed video ad on your platform of choice.